Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fish curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of firm white fish, like cod or snapper, cut into 2-inch pieces. For the base, we'll use 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Don't forget your spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Finally, grab 1 can of coconut milk, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a few sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Now, let's build the flavor base for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until they release their wonderful aroma. Finally, add your turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder, toasting them for about 30 seconds. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to create the rich sauce. Add the diced tomatoes to the pot and cook them for about 5 minutes until they soften and begin to break down. Then, pour in the entire can of creamy coconut milk along with 1 cup of water, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Carefully add your fish pieces to the simmering sauce, making sure they are mostly submerged. Almost there. Cover the pot and let your delicious fish curry simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes. This allows the fish to cook through and become wonderfully tender, flaking easily with a fork. Be careful not to overcook it, as this can make the fish tough. Just before serving, stir in a handful of fresh curry leaves or some chopped cilantro for a burst of fresh flavor. Serve this aromatic fish curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.